Delhi's power demand tells a story of explosive growth. From just 2,879 megawatt in 2002, peak demand surged to over 8,600 megawatt by 24-25, nearly a 300% increase driven by urbanization and rising appliance usage. Delhi now serves over 73 lakh consumers, up from 40 lakh in 2010, an 80% increase. Despite this, nearly 80% of households benefit from electricity subsidies introduced by Aam Aadmi Party. Now, Badarpur Thermal Power Station of 705 megawatt, which once supplied 600 to 650 megawatt, was shut down in 2018 due to pollution concerns. Delhi meets today only 15% of its demand locally, sourcing around 85% from external grids with near zero shortages. Today, Delhi meets only about 15% of its demand locally, sourcing around 85% from external grids with near zero shortages of the order of around 0.1%. The most significant technical victory in Delhi's history is the reduction of AT&C, aggregate technical and commercial losses. In 2002, losses were at a crippling 53%, largely due to theft and inefficient metering. The introduction of high-precision electronic and smart meters has been the primary tool in slashing these losses to an unprecedented 7% or lower in many areas today. Efficiency has moved from the substation to the living room. Digital platforms and smart appliances have enabled demand-side management. By 2030, through programs like air conditioning demand response, Delhi aims to shave off nearly 1,350 megawatt from its peak demand, empowering consumers to reduce their footprints while maintaining 24/7 comfort. Delhi's peak demand is heavily seasonal, driven by space cooling. During summer heat waves, the load can swing by 4,000 megawatts within hours. This requires massive infrastructure resilience. Discoms now enter into power banking agreement with colder states like Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim to borrow power in the summer and return it in the winter. For the city's 30 plus million residents, the power grid is now a lifeline. The technical challenge has evolved from providing any power to providing quality power. Now, the voltage fluctuations that once damaged household electronics have been largely mitigated through the installation of thousands of new substations and the augmentation of the 220 kV transmission network. The pre-2002 era was defined by the Delhi Vidyut Board and its legacy of red tape and financial decay. The transition to a public-private partnership (PPP) model replaced manual ledgers with automated billing and transparent governance. This administrative overhaul was the catalyst that turned a failing utility into one of India's most efficient distribution networks. Financial visibility is the bedrock of Delhi's success. By ensuring a collection of efficiency of nearly 100%, Discoms have secured the capital needed for continuous upgrades. This robust fiscal cycle ensures that even as the city targets 9,000 megawatt peaks in 2025, the lights will stay on, fueled by a system that is both technically advanced and economically sustainable. The transformation of Delhi's power sector wasn't just physical, it was digital. By 2024, the deployment of advanced CRM systems and mobile applications turned a once hostile relationship between the utility and the consumer into a transparent partnership. Real-time tracking of complaints and digital payment adoption at over 95% have revolutionized the service experience. Behind the modern aesthetics of these digital hubs lies a robust data architecture. Discoms in Delhi now use digital twins and GIS mapping to locate faults within surgical precision. This transition from reactive to proactive maintenance has been a cornerstone in maintaining a reliability index of over 99.9%, a benchmark that rivals global metropolitan standards. To meet its ambitious solar policy 2024, Delhi has turned its rooftops into power plants. With a target to reach 4,500 megawatt of installed solar capacity by 2027, the city is incentivizing residential and commercial sectors to go green. Currently, solar energy accounts for a growing portion of the city's energy mix, reducing carbon footprints significantly. Sustainability extends beyond city borders through renewable purchase obligations or RPO. By tapping into wind farms across India, Delhi's discoms are sourcing clean energy to balance the grid during non solar hours. This diversified green portfolio is essential for Delhi to meet its goal of sourcing 25% of its total energy from renewable sources by 2030. The technical backbone of Delhi has been massive upgrades through the undergrounding of high tension lines. By replacing vulnerable overhead wires with insulated underground cables, the grid has become weatherproof against severe dust storms and monsoons. This has enhanced safety in congested areas like Old Delhi and played a critical role in slashing AT&C losses. Modern infrastructure is now compact and efficient. The proliferation of compact solutions or compact substations and dry type transformers has allowed the grid to expand within limited real estate. These modernized nodes are equipped with remote controlled switches, allowing the load to be diverted instantly in case of local failure, effectively eliminating long load shedding. Delhi is rapidly becoming the EV capital of India. To support the transition to electric mobility, the city has established a dense network of over 4,500 charging points. This infrastructure is designed to handle the projected load of thousands of private electric vehicles, ensuring grid stability even as fueling shifts from petrol pumps to the electric socket. The public transport sector is leading by example with a fleet of over 1,600 electric buses. The technical challenge has been to build high capacity charging depots that can fast charge these vehicles overnight without straining the local distribution network, a feat managed through sophisticated load balancing algorithms. The success of Delhi's power story is a testament to the public private partnership model, PPP model. It represents a victory of engineering, policy, and financial discipline. As technicians and policymakers work in tandem, the focus has shifted towards Zero-Outage Delhi, where AI driven predictive maintenance ensures that a fault is fixed before the consumer notices a flicker. As we look towards 2030, the story of Delhi's electricity is one of resilience. From a power starved capital to a shimmering global hub, the journey from 2,800 megawatt to nearly 9,000 megawatt has been paved with innovation. The lights of Delhi today symbolize a city that has powered through its challenges to build a sustainable, tech driven future for all.